Hey everyone, welcome to a new session of Learning Steps. Today we'll be discussing about things like how we can add value to our tooltip in Power BI. So let's get on to our visualizations and see what we can do on the Power BI thing. Let's go to our screen now. So this is our one of our reports over here. You can see that the report is very well managed, and we have a tooltip over here. That's the default tooltip that you can see over here. We have the total sales and we have the 7 days running moving total average sales over here. But we wanted to have our customized tooltip. How we can go with the customized tooltip? So in order to make a tooltip, we'll create a new page. I'll go to my new page over here and I'll call it as rename it as tooltip. Here we go. It's like tooltip. Okay. So I'll just drag this page near to my sales part so that I can have a closer look of what I'm doing right now. Just like that. Okay. I have the tooltip page over here. Now what I'll do over here that this is my canvas where I can do the things, and this is my page profiling option over here. Here I can reprofile my format my visual page over here. So I have different sort of like page settings over here. So I'll go to the canvas setting and I have this sort of thing that what sort of a size I wanted to have over here. So the standard size of any of the report page is 16 by 9. So I'll go just check it out what sort of options I have over here. So I have 4 by 3. Then I have the letter size over here. I can customize my report page, and I have a tooltip over here. You can see that. As I click this thing, I'll check the tooltip. You can see it over here that I have this thing like it's a small box now. My whole report page has been converted into a small page. Like its dimensions have been changed. Now I can place in all my details over here that how I can manage a tooltip, a customized tooltip over here of what I wanted to have over here, right? So I'll start up with the things. I'll go to my visuals and I'll just drag it like I have the sales over here. I don't have anything else over here. You can see that I don't have anything else rather than just the sales, and I have a running moving average of sales, 7 days running moving average. So what I'll do that I'll be needing my return rate. So I'll call my return rate over here from my DAX maze. I have the return rate over here. Let's see. Total return is over here. I'll just drag it over here and I'll convert it to card visual. So this is my returns of the total returns over here. I'll just have to format it. I'll just format it like I'll go to format tab, and what I'll do that I'll change it to green because it's quite big, and I'll just take the values over here. I'll change it to this, and I can convert it to green. I'll hold it up. I'll bold it this one, and similarly the call out value I'll put this one as well, and I'll change the color to red. Right? So this is my call out value, and I can just squeeze it like this. So similarly, I'll go for another visual, and I'll go for like I'll take it. I'll just copy paste this one, and I'll just copy paste it over here, and I'll do it like I'll change it to somewhere what I need. I'll add some what I'll add over here. I'll add my quantity sold. So here is my quantity sold. I'll change the color of the quantity sold to something like this one. This is quite a nice color. So now again, I'll add another value and I'll add the profit margin. So I'll go over there and I again change the visual, the profit margin, or I'll just take the profit. This is my profit, right? So I'll go over here and change the color of this thing. I'll change it to somewhere a new color, just going away from what I have. This is the color I wanted over here. Okay, so I'm good with this thing. So I have three different values. I'll add something new over here, and what I'll add over here is I'll add a pie chart, or I can add a total chart. I can add a total chart as well. So I'm going to drag it over here just a little bit what I wanted to have it, just to see that what I can see over here. And now I'm going to drag my categories. The categories are here, and what I'm going to have, I have the sales over here, so I'm going to switch it to my cost. What sort of cost I'm getting? The cost part is very small. I can see that the cost is very small. So what if I go for something else? Transactions are not that much good as well. So just to see that what sort of transactions are good. I'll add the transactions, total transactions that I have to go for the transaction. Now I go to the format tab. What I'll do that I'll change the color of the slicer. I'll change it to some variant of the things. I'll go for one with be like this. The other color should be this. It's very close. So let's take it something like this. Okay, and the fourth one should be like this one, right? I have to change this color to a little switcher. No, I have to change the effects over here, turn the effects down, and go to the title and total transactions by category name. But I have to do a little bit formatting over here like this, and could also be better. Okay. Now it's better, and I'll do a little formatting. I'll change the color to, first of all, I'll change the background. Change the color to which color. This color is good. This color is a little bit good, but I can change it to white as well. White, and I'll take the background to dark. Okay, and now what I'll do, I'll center it up. So this is how I can see my visuals, right? And there's another thing, I have to see the percentages, where I can find these percentages. Details and the labels, and the labels. Percentage decimals, values. It's outside percentage. Values. Percent of food. This is what I wanted over here, right? So I get this thing, and I have to cater a little bit to my values as well. I have to change the size to 8. Now it's much better. Do I need a title of this thing? No, I don't need a title because I'm already mentioning it as a category. Okay, now my image is very much okay with the things. I can the complete thing, and I have again to go over here and just to see that what is my canvas saying. What is my page information? It is saying that it's your tooltip, allow use as a tooltip. I'm doing as a tooltip right now. So everything is sit over here. Now I'll go to the sales table, my sales page, and I'll see that how I can place it over here. I'll select the visual like this. I'll select the visual like this. I'll go to the formatting tab, and I'll go to the journal part. I have the tooltips over here, like it's already on because default part of the Power BI is you say that you have to have you need to have a tooltip over here. So I'll just click this drop down like this. In saying that this is your report page, you need to select whether you want to select an auto. It's an auto based. Auto based is like I am having already a tooltip over here. So Power BI is saying that do you want to select auto or do you want to go to your own tooltip? I'll say I want it to go to my own tooltip. So I'll select it over here, like tooltip is like this. So now what I'll be doing over here, now I'll show the magic. Here you see the magic. See, things are changing, right? You can see, boom, things are changing. That's great. I am getting the required values. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this thing, that how you can work it on with your tooltips. They are like magic tools. You can enjoy it with your whatsoever visual you want to have it. You can have an additional visual over here and you can enjoy your visualizations. Thank you guys. Cheers, and let's hope for the best for a new upcoming session. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.